Hello, my name's Lorenzo, and in this video I'll show you how to create an event that has a required pricing option along with an optional add-on. So let's get started. I'll go ahead and drop in some event details and let's take a look. So let's say that we are planning a personal finance seminar that has a registration fee, and then we'd like to offer a book for purchase during the registration. The date for this seminar will be August 25th from 1 p.m. till 3 p.m. and the registration fee will be $249. The optional book will be $15 and we can have up to 10 guests. Okay, so those are the details. Let's continue with creating our event. So I will now add in a title. So we can say a personal finance seminar. And now let's create that date. So we know that it's August 25th, so I'll go ahead and find August through the date picker. And this starts at 1, so I'll select that, and then it wraps up at 3, so I'll move this back, and done. And we have a limit of up to 10 guests, so we can just say 10 for the limit here. So we've just taken care of the dates. Let's now set up the pricing option. Okay, so this will actually be the registration fee, and let's sell this up until the day before so that we have time to get ready for the seminar. And the registration fee will be $249, and we can go ahead and pull this quantity limit because we have a limit here. So we've just taken care of the registration fee as well as the seminar date, but now we need an option that will take care of the book purchase, okay? So what I'll do is I'll actually duplicate this date time here, and then I can remove the limit and then add some context. So we'll say this is for the seminar and this is for the book. And now I will actually duplicate this registration fee here. And then I'll say book. And then the price for the book will be $15. So what we've done is we have a date time specifically for the seminar because remember we can have up to 10 guests. And then we have another date time for the book. So the reason why we set it up like this is if you were to connect both of them just to one date time, it would count a purchase for the registration and the book as 2 guests, but that's actually 1 guest. So since we have a strict limit of 10, we need to set this up correctly so that the limits are honored. So from here, what I need to do is to actually adjust the pricing option for the registration fee and set that to required. I can do that by clicking on the gear icon, scrolling down, and then clicking on this option for this ticket is required. So we are good. Let's scroll up and I will click on the Save Draft button. And now let's go take a look at this event on the front end. So I'll follow that link, and here is our seminar. So remember what I mentioned earlier, if we were to just have the registration fee and the book connected to just one date time and a guest purchased, so a guest chose the registration and picked up a book, that would count as 2 guests, okay? So the reason why we split it up is because we have a strict limit of up to 10 guests, so therefore we don't want purchases for the book to affect our overall limit for the event. So I hope that makes sense. So this is a basic overview of the event. From here, what I recommend doing is adding a featured image, then of course updating the event description and connecting a venue. And from there, we'll be ready to publish. So that is a quick overview of how to create an event that has a required pricing option as well as an optional add-on using EventSmart. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for looking.